Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. Alright, first open your browser and search for Google Pro. Once you see the results, click on the very first website. Now from here, just click on Create with Pro and click it once again to actually enter the platform. Now you will see their policy page, so just take a quick look and hit continue. After that, go ahead and click on new project. From this section, select create image. Now open the option menu, choose Nano Banana Pro as the model. Now type in your prompt and simply press enter. And your images are generated using Nano Banana Pro. If you want to save them, just click on the download option. You can download images in 2K resolution. So that's it. Try it out yourself, and if this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.